Oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. God dang. Hey, look here. Today, excuse the sunglasses. I had a little eye surgery, but I'm getting better. Thank you for all the well wishes. Hey, look. Tomahawk steak. Bone-in ribeye. That's what I'm doing today. I was gonna get one that big, you know what I mean? That big, boy, that long and all that, but hey, I went and seen my butcher, and we're gonna improvise a little bit, Chad, improvise. Anyway, if I was to do one that big, I'd show you what I was gonna do. Right now, I've got a half a gallon of oil in my Dutch oven, and it's getting hot. And I'm only going to bring it to 325, and that's it. And right now, can't see that good, but it looks like it's about 200. Anyway, here I go. What you're going to need, I got a little onion powder, got a little garlic salt, a little paprika for essence, chili powder, Shad, chili powder. There's the cayenne, right there. There's the cayenne. And some good old salt. Gotta have a little salt. And mustard, yellow mustard, just regular old yellow mustard. Gonna mustardize this baby. Put it in the hot grease at 325. Let it cook. Take it out when I'm satisfied with the redness, because I don't like it to bleed. I don't want nothing on the hoof. I want to bite into something and have it move. Don't want none of that crap. All right. Look here. That's that baby right here. Got to take it out the wrapper, and we're going to season it up. We're going to season it together. Come on over. Hot dang. All right, baby, let's get it going. Watch my oil there, you know, gotta watch my oil. No, boy, I wrapped that baby good. Look at that, huh? Look at that. That's a pretty piece of meat right here. Oh, yeah. I gotta put a cut here in just a minute. First of all, I'll put some salt. I'm only going to season one side. There's no reason for me to season two sides. A little cayenne pepper. We're going to spread it out. Chili powder. Not making no chili, so just put a little bit now. That, and believe me, that brings out flavor. Got a little bit onion powder. That's good right there. Little paprika, like my buddy John used to say, paprika was for essence. And hey, garlic powder. I'll be dang, I ain't got no little deal on there. I gotta go hunt one down. All right, Chad, let's rub in. Rub it in, ta ta ta. Y'all remember that song, eh? And I'm only doing one side, you know what I mean? I'm gonna pull the other side over some of this excess. All right. See, I don't like this little piece right here. So what I'm gonna do, cut away from you. But I want that fat. All right, just like that. Now, like that, she won't hug up on that centerpiece, right on that ribeye, and soak it in. I don't want that. All right, now, I want to mustardize it, baby. And that you want to do on both sides. Let that seasoning set in there about 5 minutes before I decided to put the mustard on there. Check it out, baby. Now I'm at 325. And we're gonna move to the big pot. Dropping that baby in. Oh yeah, 325. Let it cook. Ooh, baby, that smells so good. I'm gonna take this out of here. Because that flame is perfect. Cook, baby, cook. And I don't want to overcook it. It's been in there frying about 5 minutes. And it's not thick, thick, thick like a tomahawk. This is what that baby's looking like right now. Ooh-hoo. And I think I'm going to take it out. Let me go 2 more minutes and I'm going to take it out. I like mine kind of medium. I don't like it rare at all. I don't like it overcooked. Plate it up, baby. Look at that thing, huh? All right, now we're gonna cut it. Oh, look at that. I am loving that. Man, I don't know. I just don't know. It just looks so damn good. See that? Now that's the way I like it, just like that. It's not running blood. It is not running blood all over the place. See that? That's perfect for me. God dang. I gotta take me a little taste of this. Looking good. Check this out, baby. Check this out. Hot dang. Look at it. Perfect. What the hell can I say? This is awesome. Hey, look. When the price of beef gets cheaper, I'm gonna go get that big old tomahawk. And we're gonna do it again. This time I'm gonna use my turkey fryer. And just let that big boy go. Hey, it's Chef Bourque. I'm gonna talk with you later. Aye, oh yeah, baby. Have a good evening. God dang, that was fun. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Aye, oh yeah.